Hi guys, we're here at the Hilton Malta and I am going to do a quick room tour of the Marina Spa rooms that they have here at the hotel. So as you come into the room, the first thing you'll notice is how light and bright the room is. I'll take you first of all into the bathroom. So all the bathrooms are really modern and they have these gorgeous big light up mirrors and also a pretty big vanity station as well. The thing I like most about this vanity unit is it's got drawers, which means that you can keep all your toiletries and all your bits in there, which is great, especially when you're traveling with your family. It's just calling an eye on this trip, but it means everything can be kept lovely and tidy. All the rooms have these refillable crabtree toiletries, and it's great to see that they are using the refillable pump bottles instead of the small single-use plastic ones, which is always good for the environment. So a nice big bath. In here there is also a drinking water tap, so it's already filtered, so that's really good to have. There's illuminated mirror, toilet as usual. So yeah, that's the bathroom. In the actual room there is two big closet spaces. That one is full size and you've got your ironing board in there, and this one has some shelves, more hanging space. You've got your robes in there and your safe. The safe's a really good size because I can fit my MacBook in there, passports, wallets, that sort of thing. They also have a Lavazza coffee machine, which I've not used because I'm not a coffee drinker. But the pods I imagine would be refilled daily. There's some nice glasses and a little water jug there as well, I'm guessing to use the refillable water tap. In here you've got everything you need to make lots of tea. There's all different kinds. There's English breakfast tea, there is decaffeinated cinnamon flower tea if you're feeling adventurous, these cute little coffee cups, and there is also the mini bar, which is chargeable, but they give you the option whether you want it locked or left open, because we know when you're traveling with kids sometimes you get a bit excited and think everything is all inclusive, because most places we go usually is all inclusive. So the main bedroom, huge big bed, looks a bit like queen size potentially. Looks nice and comfortable, the pillows look lovely, and I like that there's also a little separate seating area, and there's also a workstation there as well, which is always handy. You've got your TV unit here, again lots of big drawers, which we love. Huge drawers, keep everything tidy when you're away. They're also got some recycling compartments there as well for your rubbish. So yeah, gorgeous space, really light and airy, look very fresh as if they've been recently modernised. But the best bit about these rooms is the fact that they are marina view, and also they have these huge big terraces. So look how far back we are. And I think the star of the show has to be the outdoor hot tub. You've got a little dining space out here. I mean, this is January, and the sun is shining. So yeah, 2-person hot tub, and also some lovely sun loungers. So yeah, only thing about these rooms, or this room in particular, is they are overlooked, so there's not a lot of privacy. So I would advise keeping swimwear on when you're in your tub. But equally I would always be doing it anyway. But yeah, something to consider. There may be more private ones, but this one isn't. But yeah, absolutely stunning. View of the marina is beautiful, and this will all be lit up at night, so it'll be even more beautiful. Well, the good thing about being on the 3rd floor is you are somewhat protected by the palm trees in terms of some privacy. So this is how far back it goes. There is what looks like a room above us which overlooks our patio, which isn't ideal, but anyway, So yeah, this is the deck. There's so much room. You could actually have a party out here. Not that we'll just be enjoying that lovely hot tub later on tonight. So yes, this is the Hilton in Malta, and this is one of their spa marine view rooms. Hope you enjoy. Bye.